Welcome to www.illinois.healthsourcechiro.com/city/Bolingbrook. Today's topic, headaches and what to do about them. If you get headaches constantly, you need to figure out why and how to make them stop. Unfortunately, this would present us with far too many reasons for getting headaches. Some of them are self-inflicted, such as too much ice cream too fast, or the children we love, really, who can't get through a ride home from the store without a billion questions. Others may actually be something we can fix. Why do we need to eliminate the cause of headaches? Not simply because we'll feel better, but because this might be a sign of a larger problem, and even if not, analgesics only eliminate the pain, and when taken too often can cause problems of their own. To reduce or eliminate the pain, you need to figure out the root cause and how to adjust your life to be quit of it. Most causes of headaches are things that we generally cannot avoid in our daily lives. Probably isn't necessary to stay up till 3 a.m. trying to beat your high score at Tetris, but having to spend all day, every day in front of a computer monitor under fluorescent lights is an increasingly necessary fact of life. So right there we have eye strain and probably neck pain and maybe even back pain, all feeding into the throbbing in your skull. There's nothing like sitting in one position for hours trying to focus to make everything hurt. In fact, regardless of your profession, if you get a lot of headaches, one thing you really want to do is have your vision checked. Squinting at the board and headaches are the two biggest clues in school-age kids needing glasses. Once the pressure of trying to bring the impossible into focus is gone, headaches will often dissipate on their own. If that isn't the problem, you probably need to look into your body mechanics. How are you sitting every day, all day? This is relevant at home and at work. Poor posture, slouching, sitting in a completely unsupportive chair can all irritate your back and neck muscles, which when they get all tight and angry can also manifest as head pain. In this area, there are professionals, such as chiropractors, who can help you get your body back into alignment so that you aren't suffering. They can also help you avoid repeating what you've done to injure yourself. If that isn't it, there are numerous dietary factors. Aside from the ice cream, some people have food allergies or sensitivities that cause headaches. While there are certain things like chocolate that are known triggers, no one person reacts the same way. So the only way to determine if food and which ones are causing your headaches is through trial and error. There are other environmental factors aside from food, such as allergies. Some are seasonal and require treatment. There are herbal remedies for allergies, as well as manufactured medications. Other allergens, such as dust and pet dander, can't be avoided entirely, but can be kept down through cleaning and grooming. Fluffy may not love being brushed daily, but it can make everyone's life with him easier. For more information on topics like this, go to www.illinois.healthsourcechiro.com/city/Bolingbrook.